What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again on Tripadvisor, and I'm gonna be showing you how to list your property on Tripadvisor. So make sure to stay until the end of the video. So before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So how to list your property. So basically, as you can see over here, we are having a question. So before you can list your property, you need to create a Tripadvisor account. Visit the Tripadvisor owners page. So make sure to tap in your search tripadvisor.com/owners. So over here, we are having this owners page. Step 2 is create a business profile. I done a video on it, but after verifying your account, log into Tripadvisor and click add a property. You'll be prompted to select your property type, hotel, vacation rental, B&B, and etc. Just press continue. Then you need to enter your property details, which are up to date to help potential guests to make informed decisions. Then you need to write an engaging description. So basically you need to do a description of your property, which you should highlight your accommodation's unique selling points, such as its location, facilities, or some special features from that destination. So you need to upload high quality photos. I mean, basically you do not have to do it, but it's in your interest that the photos be the best you can do. Then you need to encourage reviews. Positive reviews can significantly impact your property's visibility on Tripadvisor. Encourage guests to leave reviews by providing exceptional service and sending follow-up emails after they stay. Then overall you're having some tips and tricks and so on and so forth, but basically you need to be over here on the Tripadvisor's business, on Tripadvisor's owners page, and click get started. Fill in your email address, password, and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you're registered, you'll receive a confirmation email. So basically that's it for today's video. Hopefully I helped you a bit. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next video. Goodbye.